Hello lovely people from my food forest here. I want to show you something. So there it is. This is what happens when I'm not quick enough with putting the netting bags over my tomatoes. You can see I brought some more here, and I have already plenty of them on my tomatoes, but when I'm not quick enough, so exactly what happens here, they will find it. The tomato is not even ripening yet, so she already made the damage in the entire bunch here of those. So she is basically middle in the tomato in there. There is a hole here in this one and a hole in there, so they all are damaged now. I will get rid of it immediately, so we'll cut it off and we'll bring it to the chooks or to the ducks. And I have to put my netting bags on all of the tomatoes which have formed already. So luckily she didn't damage, or they didn't damage the other ones. So it seems that I am pretty lucky here and there. But yeah, this is pure luck. So if you live in subtropics, at least in Australia, this is what happens to some of the fruit and veggies we are growing here. So you can see it's the tomatoes look really promising and beautiful and good size. But if I wouldn't protect them, probably there will be not much left for us. So that's what I'm trying to do with many of our fruit and veggies. And yeah, that's basically how it is. We can grow beautiful food all year round here in subtropics, but we have to protect the food as well. So I usually grow my tomatoes in a net house. When you follow me, you will know we have built a net house, fruit fly proof, and yeah, growing my tomatoes there. But I decided to grow more tomatoes this year, so it's in the raised garden, but here in my annual garden of the food forest. But yeah, have to protect them. So what I do now, first of all, I remove the sponge here, get rid of it, and then I will put bags on all of my remaining unprotected tomatoes here. So obviously we are not spraying anything. We grow our food 100% naturally, and that's what we have to do. So the netting bags, it's a really good way of, in my opinion, to protect the fruit and veggies here. So what are you doing about it? How are you protecting your food if you grow it naturally? Would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of the way I am doing it. And yeah, that's about it for today. I have to hurry up. She is very lazy and basically only eating here there at the moment, but I have to take care about it. So yeah guys, take care. Wishing you all the best with your gardening jobs, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Now let's get into it. So here it is. You can see the damage everywhere in each of the bunch. So for this, she is going to end up in the chicken coop.